Post-planning management issues. Once a plan or strategy is produced, common implementation issue includes seeing that the plan is followed and modified as appropriate over time. This is a very important stage in every integrated water resource management process, that the planning strategy is the initial stage. Once we plan the strategy, once we start executing a project, and we should understand the project, can it be modified as it required, or the project will remain appropriate throughout the time scale. These two things need to be monitored. These things will be addressed in post planning and management issues. Some of the questions, the answer to this is nothing but the post planning management issues. The questions, the answers will solve the problem. What incentive need to be created to ensure compliances? The generation of incentive is very essential because the huge budget has been invested on the project. The generation of revenue will pay back the initial investment. How are the impacts resulting from the implementation of any decision going to be monitored, assessed, and modified as required and decided? The very important stage in water resource management is decision making. Once the decision is taken, it will be taken as a granted and it will be executed. During the process, whether that plan is running as we decide, and how to assess that, these two questions are very important that need to be addressed. Who is going to be responsible? Government body, the stakeholders, or any NGO? Who is going to pay and how much? To generate incentives, who is going to pay? The stakeholders, the beneficiaries, and what is the budget? What is the money? Who will keep the stakeholder informed? Every stage, all the developmental activities should be informed to the stakeholders. The problems also upfronted to the stakeholders who will do that duty. Who will keep the plans current? How often should plans and their database be updated? The updating database is very important. For example, if the reservoir is of capacity some trillion gallons of water can be stored in that reservoir, over the time, after 10-20 years, the capacity of reservoir is lost because of siltation, then the new set of database is required. What is the silt? Now what is the present storage? The kind of updation in database is very essential. How often should plans in that connection should be done? That need to be addressed. How can new project be operated in the way that increase in efficiencies and effectiveness of joint operation of multiple project in the watershed or river basin, rather than each project being operated independently of the others? If there is any multiple projects in water conservation, water storage, and to overcome the siltation, all these projects should be operated as required, and all these are complements to each other, hence it should not be operated independently of others. Along with that, the agricultural activity also in line with all this information, because more than 80% of water is used for irrigation and rest of the water is used for domestic purpose. These questions should be asked and answered at least in general terms, before the water resource planning and management process begins. The question should be revisited as decisions are made and when the answer to them can be much more specific.